6 is 8.75 over 0.025. So first of all, when you're dividing a decimal by another decimal, the first thing you have to do is to express the decimal as a whole number. That's one of the ways you can solve a problem like this. So I've not done that yet, but what I did is I just removed this line and replaced it with a division sign. Is that okay? But we are still saying the same thing. This and this, are they the same? Yes. Okay, let's go. So as I said, make sure your decimal, you express it as a whole number. And how do you do that? By converting it to a fraction. And how do you convert it to a fraction? You can see your decimal point here. You have 2 digits after the decimal point. That means if I make this 875, I'm going to divide it by a power of 10. Either 10, 100, or 1000, or 10,000. But it depends on how many digits are there after the decimal point. So because I have 2 digits there after the decimal point, it's going to be 100. Because 100 has 2 zeros. Good. Divided by. Now, for this, I have 0.025, right? How many digits are there after the decimal point? 1, 2, and what? 3. So the power of 10 that I will use must be the one that has 3 zeros. Which one is that? 1000. So it will be 25 over what? 1000. Okay, let's move on. So the next thing is to change this division sign to multiplication sign. And there's a principle that we use to do that, and that principle says that whenever you're changing the division sign to multiplication sign, you should be able to invert the fraction on the right. So we have 1000 over 25. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear? So whenever you're changing division sign to multiplication sign, you should flip this fraction. You all know that, right? So let's continue. I'm going to crush this now to the lowest 10. So how do we do that? We have this 100 there, 0 and 0 will cancel, 0 and 0 will cancel. So we can also use 5 to cancel this. We get 2, we use 5 to cancel this, we have 5. So finally we have 875 times 2 over 5. So we can also use 5 to divide itself, we get 1, and we use 5 to divide 8, we get 1, remainder 3. 5 cancels 37, we have 7 times, and we have 2. 5 cancels 25, we have what? 5. So finally we have 175 times what? 2 equals what? So 175 times 2, let's get the value. 2 times 5 is what? 10, carry what? 1. 2 times 7 is what? 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 2 times 1 is what? 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is what? 350.